Hey everybody, I have put together some Purex 3 off 15 scenarios, and I put together a Purex Saturday scenario. So if you are interested in how we can get some laundry products dirt cheap on Saturday for just $10, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post every day different ways we can save money, buy things for super cheap, and sometimes even free. So go ahead, click subscribe, hit that bell, set it to all notifications, and you will not miss a single upload. And if you missed these videos, make sure to check them out. I went penny shopping and found a couple of old penny items, so if you're interested in that, check it out. And then I put together a whole bunch of low out-of-pocket deals for your entertainment. So if you would like to check that out, make sure to click on those videos. Alright, y'all, let's check out these $3 off 15 all Purex Snuggle and Persil scenarios. First, you're going to want to make sure you have this digital coupon clipped. Super important, you will not get that $3 off without it. Scenario 1. We are going to grab 2 of the Purex 21 count laundry packs. These are $4 each, so 2 of them will be $8. Here is the UPC, and the next slide is going to be our cashback offer of $1 when we buy 1, and this is a limit of 2, so we are going to use this offer up in this transaction. Next, we are going to grab a Snuggle Scent Crystals at $6. You're going to want to make sure that you clip the $2 cashback offer on your Snuggle Scent Crystals. Lastly, pick up one of the $2 Snuggle dryer sheets. These are 40 count. Make sure that you clip the 50-cent cashback offer on these. Alright y'all, let's break it down. We're going to buy 2 of the Purex 17 count Oxy Pods. That's going to be $8. We are going to pick up one of the Snuggle Scent Crystals at $6. 1 Snuggle dryer sheets at $2. Our subtotal is $16. Our $3 store digital is going to come off. Then we will pay $13, but we're going to earn $4.50 cash back. That's going to drop our total down to just $8.50 once we earn that cash back. All right, y'all, let's get on to scenario 2. Alright, for this scenario, the first item you want to pick up is the Purex 150 ounce Tahitian Breeze scent for $10. Make sure you clip that $2 off digital coupon. Now, the weird thing with this digital is it says it attaches to Persil, but it absolutely does not. So it's only attaching to the Purex right now. Next, we're going to grab one all free and clear 36 ounce detergent for $5. Make sure you clip the $1 off cashback offer. Alright y'all, here is our breakdown. We're buying one Purex Tahitian Breeze for $10 and one all free and clear 36 ounce detergent for $5. Our subtotal is $15. We're going to get $3 off for that DG store coupon for spending $15. Our subtotal will be $12 after that. Then the $2 Purex digital comes off. We're going to pay $10, but we're going to earn $1 cash back on that all. And our total is just going to be $9 for everything after our cash back. All right, y'all, let's move on to scenario 3. Right, now this one's super easy. We are just going to grab the all free and clear in the 141 ounce large bottle. These are $17. So after the $3 DG digital store coupon comes off, we're going to pay $14, but then we are going to earn $3 cash back, which drops the total out of pocket to just $11 after we get that cash back. Scenario 4. Alright y'all, for this one, we're going to grab one all free and clear 88 ounce detergent for $12. Make sure you clip the $3 cashback offer attached to that. Next, we're going to pick one Snuggle Plus 105 count dryer sheets. These are $4.50, and make sure you clip that $1 cashback offer. Our subtotal is $16.50. After our $3 DG store coupon comes off, it's going to be $13.50. We're going to pay that $13.50, but we're going to earn $4 cash back, dropping our out-of-pocket to just $9.50 after we earn that cash back. All right, y'all, let's get to the Saturday scenario. Now, on this one, I just stacked that 3 off 15 with our 5 off 25. So keep in mind that if you plan on doing this, your subtotal has to be $28 because we've got to make up for that $3 that's coming off of our subtotal with the DG store coupon. All right, guys, for this scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the Purex packs at $4 each. That's going to be $8. Again, make sure you got that $1 cashback offer clipped. We are next going to pick up the Snuggle Scent Crystals for $6. Make sure you have the $2 cashback offer clipped. Next, the Snuggle Dryer Sheets 40 count for $2. Make sure you have your 50-cent cashback offer clipped. Next, we're going to grab one of the Skintimate razors at $6. We have a $3 digital, dropping that down to $3. Then we are picking up one of the 3-pack rolls of Tums for $3.25. Make sure you have your $1.50 digital coupon clipped. Lastly, we are grabbing our Colgate Max Fresh Charcoal Toothpaste for $3.25, and make sure you've got that $2 digital clipped. All right, y'all, here is the breakdown. We're going to get 2 Purex packs, 1 Snuggle Scent Crystals, 1 Snuggle Dryer Sheets, 1 Skintimate razors, 1 Tums 3-pack, and 1 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Subtotal is $28.50. We've got the $8 in Dollar General store coupons coming off, your $5 for Saturday, and your $3 for spending $15. That's going to drop that down to $20.50. Then all of your manufacturer digitals are going to come off, which is $6.50. We will pay $14, and then we're going to earn $4.50 cash back, dropping our total down to just $9.50. That works out to be 7 items for $135 an item. All right, y'all, that's all I have for this video. I hope that it was helpful to you, and I hope you were able to score some low out-of-pocket laundry deals this week. I truly appreciate you spending your time here with me, and I thank you very much for being here. All right, y'all, I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.